Are you struggling with computer issues in Captiva, Florida? Look no further. Captiva Computer Help is here to provide expert assistance for all your computer-related needs. Whether you're dealing with a sluggish computer, pesky viruses, or need help with software installations, our comprehensive services have you covered. Answering frequently asked questions and offering tips to avoid common computer repair mistakes. We understand how frustrating technical issues can be. That's why our team is dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and tools to keep your computer running smoothly. Captiva Computer Help is just a phone call away. Don't let computer issues disrupt your day. Our professionals are ready to offer quick and cost-effective solutions. Contact us today for a free Captiva Computer Help quote. Call 239-421-8187 to schedule your no-hassle repair service. Ready to get started? Visit CaptivaComputerHelp.com for more information on how we can assist you. Don't wait any longer to address your computer issues. Let Captiva Computer Help get your computer back in working order today.